Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review is the Parker 68S. Really nice looking razor. The difference with this one, it has a stainless steel handle, whereas most of the other Parkers do not. The handle itself is made from marine grade 316L stainless steel. The head is Zamic. And you might ask, what is Zamic? Well, Zamic is a family of alloys with a base metal of zinc and alloying elements of aluminum, magnesium, and copper. So in case you didn't know, now you know. Actually, we both know. All right, the specifications on this razor. This razor weighs in at 4 ounces or 113 grams. And the overall length from top to bottom is 4.25 inches or 108 millimeters. It's a pretty hefty razor, and it's got a nice length to it. You can see that you can drop the handle right into your palm and spin it. When you swipe back and forth, you can spin it nice and easy, which is good. I like that in a razor. And you can see that it's an open comb razor, meaning it's going to be a little bit more aggressive than a flat bar safety razor. So if you're looking for a step up from a flat bar in aggressiveness, this would definitely do it for you. It's got a nice weight to it, feels good in the hand. It's got knurling up and down the handle, and then a notch here, a smooth groove, and then this knurling, very easy to grip. Let's disassemble it. It's a 3-piece razor. Here's the top cap, safety bar. Let's pop in a blade. If you buy this from Shave Nation, it comes with a free 5-pack of Parker blades. So let's try out a Parker blade. Let's drop one right in, right over the post and the 2 pins like so. And then reinstall top cap and safety bar. Tighten the handle. Locks down nice and tight. No play in there. Check the reveal. Looks perfect on both sides. Take a look. Nice and even on both sides. All right, today's lineup. I will be shaving with the new Taylor of Old Bond Street Lime Zest shaving cream. And I'll use the Shave Nation Cilantro green colored shaving bowl. Here's a look at that. And then we will use the Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block afterwards. And then that will lead us to the finish with George F. Trumper West Indian extract of limes. Really nice aftershave. Skin food. Really good for the skin. Nourishing, cooling, excellent product. This is the box that the razor comes in. Biodegradable, so recyclable, which is nice. I'm going to use this Shave Nation Hot Lava brush today. It's a Badger brush. Let me fill up my cup with some hot water, this marble cup. And we'll drop the brush right in there. Here's a look at it dry. You can hear the bubbles. It's soaking up some of the water. Here's what it looks like when it's wet, saturated. The scent profile on this, TOBS Lime Zest Shaving Cream. It's an uplifting fragrance of fresh lime and orange, complemented by mid-notes of lavender and tarragon, with undertones of patchouli and cedarwood. There you go. Sounds appealing. A treat to the olfactory system. Smells very nice. I would just use my finger. Gonna curl out about that much. Drop it right down in the middle of the bowl. Like so. See that? Let's pour out the water. Give the brush a couple shakes. We'll go right in here and see what we can do with this TOBS Lime Zest. Didn't take long. Nice sudsy lather coming up. Smells really good. Citrusy, very fresh, clean scent. Wow, it's overflowing. Look at that. How about that? Like 30 seconds, 20 seconds? Plenty of lather. Look at, beautiful. No problem with Uber lather on this. It's like an ice cream cone. You can see I've got a couple days of beardage going on here. So we'll see what this razor can do. Let's see how it performs. Let me warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Whew, red face from the hot water, bringing the blood to the surface of the skin. All right, let's lather up. Red face, green bowl. Kind of a Christmas theme going on. Smells really nice and really lots of lather. Look at that. Really nice. We'll start on the right side here. Drive that lather into the beard, soften the whiskers, prepare them for the shave to come. Cooling, refreshing, nice scent, little figure eight. Beautiful. Let's clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. Here we go. Here's our profile picture. The razor is loaded up with a Parker blade. We're ready to rock and roll with our shave. Let me warm the metal up under the hot water. Just temper it. We'll start on the right side here. Cut that sideburn. Start perpendicular and tilt the handle slightly out. Find our angle. Oh yeah. No problem removing my several days worth of growth here. Look at that, all that stubble. Let's flip it over. Carry on down the neck. Very good. Let's rinse that off. Now the left side, cut that sideburn. Perpendicular, tilt the handle slightly out. Very good. Stubble down the neckline. Nice. Let's hit the mustache. No problem getting under the nose with this head. Very nice. Let's rinse off. Let's grab our bowl and brush again. I can call some friends over. Way too much lather here. It's a lather party. Uber lather. Clear the runways once again. All right, now we'll go across the grain from the ear to the nose. The razor glides nicely across. The shaving cream, lime zest, provides a nice cushion. As you can see, very efficient shave with this open comb. Let's rinse that off. I'll go against the grain on my neck. Across the mustache. Just bring the corner in directly under the nose. Very good. Feels great. A quick rinse. Let's hit the cheeks. We'll get baby smooth here. Just a little against the grain on the cheeks. We'll ride the cap. Still, look at how much lather is left. Lots. Okay, my hands are wet. Still very easy to grip this razor. Not soapy, just wet. Let's ride the cap. We got the rounded edge. Tilt the handle slightly upward till she catches right there. That's the spot. That gets you baby smooth. Now the other side, same way. Tilt the handle up till it catches. Excellent. Like ice. Final rinse with hot then cold water. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap and soak this under the cold water. Raise it up a little bit and just glide this all around the areas you shaved. Very nice. Nice finish to the shave. Tighten the skin. Cooling, refreshing. Seal off any slight nicks you may have gotten. Beautiful. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Now we'll apply our George F. Trumper West Indian extract of limes. Let's pop the cap on that. A few drops in the fingertips. This is a nice light balm. Massage that together right onto the face. Not real creamy, it's almost like a light gel. But it goes on cool, citrusy, very refreshing. It's up nicely over the TOBS Lime Zest. Very good. Take our face cloth. Very cooling and refreshing. Okay, that's it. The Parker 68S. Really a nice shaving razor, very comfortable. Feels great in the hand. As I said, easy to grip even with wet fingers. I don't like to shave with soapy fingers, but no problem with wet fingers on this razor. The open comb makes it a little bit more aggressive than your 34C, DE89, any of your most standard common flat bar razors. So if you're looking for a step up in aggressiveness, this will do very well for you. Stainless steel handle, you never have to worry about it rusting. Very sturdy, looks great. If you want to pick one of these up, or the Lime Zest, or brush, or bowl, any of these items, aftershave, just click down below where it says show more. You can grab one there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter whatever you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Do me a favor, please click that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell in the corner, and then click all. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.